is 3:54. Found my GoPro. Let's go fishing. There's a kayak on the roof. There's the tip. There it is. All right. Ooh, did I lock my door? Okay. Here we go. Fire me up. All right. Gonna run to Maverick. Grab a drinky poo. Get $5. You gotta pay for where we're going. $5. Apparently I used my debit card pin too many times, and I then bought my beer with a credit card, but I was like, hey, I want $5 cash back. She was like, oh. So then I had to buy a bomb pop. How much this thing is? You'd think it'd be like 60, 70 cents. This thing was $3.50. So I guess I have to get $3.50 worth of this.
At the end of it all, I'm condemned,
Hard to beat that, huh? Come on now, live a little. Chee-hoo!
Single word he said, he cast into the world. Boys, we got a riser in our midst. He will get the last laugh, it's the last thing he did.
Ow. My tootsies. Alrighty. Shoo. Push. Looks like a bad angle of attack. Here we go. And she floats. So it's a good time. Yeah. Name's the captain now. Wow. There I am. You guys are all of my business, huh? Hello. I feel like a podcaster or something. Beautiful. Crazy. Yeah. I can already tell you're way too close to my face, huh? So here we are on Little Dell Reservoir here, just out of Salt Lake City. About a 35-minute drive from downtown Salt Lake. It's really pretty today. I'm sure you can tell by the green behind me. I'm just gonna pedal out here. Hey, spin around and look at that. Hi.
Oh, how?
I'll have you know I might be the worst fisherman I know. I sure like getting out and trying to fish, but I could care less if I actually do catch a fish. It's quite a bit easier if I don't catch a fish, actually. But it is a good excuse to get outside and enjoy this lovely weather. I'll have you know I've been outside all day though. I had a tea time this morning at 9 a.m. and I have corn nuts, in case you were wondering, and a beer, which I'm not sure I'm allowed to have, but I'm a rule breaker. I hope you guys like toe shots, because you're going to get a lot of them. We got corn nuts. Let's see what kind of bugs we got in this bad Larry. A lovely selection of specimens. Alrighty, After 47 minutes of messing around, I am ready for my first cast. Actually, no, I'm not. Alright, come here. Line. Let's see if I'm any good at this, which I don't think I will be. It's a lot harder when I don't know. That's kind of fun. Great. Now we fish. As you can see, I am the world's best fly roddy guy. What is that called? Fly fisherman? Can't even see where my fly's going. I bet it already flew off. Because I tied it like shit. Where you at? Fish? Does it look like I know what I'm doing? Because I don't. Okay, we got a white bug on there. What kind of bug, you ask? Who cares? Oh, look at that. I caught something. Me, I caught myself. Oh my gosh, I'm terrible at this. I'm a lot better like on a shore. I've never actually truly fly fished on this kayak before. So, there's that. Muddy cast. Alright. Now we drink. I'll, okay, there are fish jumping around me, which is a good sign. I just don't think I'll catch any of them. Oh God, that was terrible. Oh jeez. I'm really glad you can't see what I'm doing, because okay, for one, I'm casting into the wind, which makes it really difficult. So maybe I'll stop doing that and I'll just cast like out in front of me, and then God, I'm so bad at this. Can't wait to read the comment. I might just disable the comments because I don't want to get bullied. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Oh. Okay, the stick worked. I wanted it to be no. I forgot. Okay, couple things. Got this new fishing pole from Costco, 130 bucks. Black Ops rod, carbon fiber. Came with a reel. Pretty nice. I've had a couple like complete kits. I'd say this is like a $250, $300 setup. I got for $130 at Costco, so go to Costco, get that. I've been to this reservoir maybe 10 times in my life, and every single time, I've never caught a fish here. I had a buddy that caught a fish here once. I have zero intentions of actually catching a fish though. I set my standards really low, so that way I don't get like upset. But we've drifted quite a ways. I mean, we've already drifted, well, half a mile. So I always paddle up to the, I guess I can show you. And here we go. Phone cam in 3, 2, 1. Phone cam. Okay, now we're on phone cam. So I started way up there. I got about 50 yards from that rock, those rocks up there. But the wind's pretty heavy today, so I've only been out here for 30 minutes, and I've already drifted all the way down here, so you can see what we're dealing with. It sure is pretty. It's not easy being the best fisherman around. You know, no one else is out here, just me. There's a couple people way down there. Can you see them? Yeah. But other than them, just me. Sure is nice though. Hard to beat. All right, now back to you, GoPro. 3, 2, 1. All right, see that when I sit the. All right. Here we go. Driving back home and turn my troubles away. It's a damn shame what the world's going to. For people like me, for people like you, wish I could just wake up. I got this life jacket set up perfectly so I can just like absolutely vibe like this. Eyes shut. Little country. Chasing you like a shot. Break out the corn nuts. I will do this every weekend until I catch a fish. And then once I catch that fish, I will continue coming out. Oh, there's all sorts of twisted around, huh? Again, not gonna catch a fish. If I actually wanted to catch a fish, I wouldn't be fishing in the middle of the reservoir with the fly rod. I'm not that dumb. But it's worth a shot. Like, there's still a chance. However small. I just really hate paddling. So I go all the way up there. Float down. I haven't paddled in like 2 hours, an hour and a half. Just let the wind take ya. I've burned 769 calories a day. I bet I burned more than that. Actually, because I golfed this morning. Maybe not. But I walked 18. 5.88 miles today. 11,642 steps. But apparently it says I've only burned 769 calories. So that doesn't quite add up to me, but whatever. Stats, man. I love stats. I'm gonna go with the wind more. That's better. See the way it just like comes out and goes whoosh. Hit the lip. Whoop-a. You pitted. So pitted.
Smack the lip. Whoop-a. Drop down. Snap. Ah. And then after that, you just drop in, just ride the barrel and get pitted. So pitted like that.
How does this look? Like proper fishing viewage? Nope. Give it a second. There it goes. Beer gun. Must mean it's about time to go. The vibes are immaculate. Alright. Fish. Fish. Come here, ladybug. Today's your big day. Oh, I'm not gonna get him. Stop moving. You see that? See that? I saved a ladybug. You see that, right? Ladybug. 6:35 now. And I think we're ready to rock and roll. Alright. Here we go. Yep, here we go. Dak Prescott. Here we go. Go. GoPro fell off the kayak.
I wanted to say something. I was talking to a guy when I was grabbing the kayak. He also had a kayak. He was fishing. He caught 4 fish. So we got work to do, but there are fish in here, which is good because I haven't seen any fish in here yet this year, but he said there's fish, so I'm gonna trust him. But I'm actively watching him cast right now, and it's kind of hard to watch. So maybe we can watch him cast together. Well, he got his line stuck. So maybe that helps my point. Now these people are staring at me because I was trying to record that guy and a little girl walked in front of my camera and it seemed a little creepy. Anyways, okay, have a great day, everybody. Love, love, laugh, goodbye.